the Zombie Army Lab, we've been working diligently on experimenting with the level of fear for your next visit at Statesville Haunted Prison. It has been a long winter of tests. Some not as successful as others.
Not scary anymore!
But in the end, we have discovered incredible results in traditional phobias. Snakes, spiders, flying cockroaches, and claustrophobia.
No.
Let's take a look at the results. Roll the film, Tommy. The classic freakout. Cuban body shield. The breakdown. The pee my pants. The windmill. Caterpillar. The dominoes. The climber. The no man left behind. The cluster. Well, there you have it. Statesville Haunted Prison will scare the f out of you. Thank you, science. Oh, God damn it! That was a mess! I want to find Dana! I want her on the table in a minute! Get out! Sweet freedom, corn dog!